Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my 1975 Honda CB360T. So I've had this bike for several years, and there's actually a nice background history to how I acquired this. It's indirectly been in our family since it's been new. So since my last video, unfortunately, this has sat in the garage under cover for the last several years. So I figured in order to actually start working on this, I brought it into my sun porch. So what I want to do is actually restore this. I don't need to get into restoring the paint. As you can see, the paint is actually in amazing shape. The side covers are in decent shape. A couple little scratches and whatnot on it, but I may touch those up. The seat's in great shape. It's been repaired right here. I may have to do it here, but I'd like to keep it original if possible. I had to buy a new ignition for it, as well as a new horn, so we're going to get those all set up. The fuel petcock is leaking, so I have a new one of those. And the tires are in great shape. They both hold air. I never have to add air to them. However, they were brand new in 1997, actually, is when they were installed. So I'll probably end up having to put new tires on if I want to drive the bike. So again, last time I drove this bike was several years ago, and what I noticed, it was firing on one cylinder, so we're going to take a look at that and figure out why. Just taking a look at under the seat. I have a battery for it, so we'll get that installed. Again, as you can tell, the chrome work is actually in really good shape. And it's nice to see it even has the original manual underneath the seat, which most don't. And that's the original manual. So one thing I did a few years ago is I fixed the front brakes. They were seized on. So we've got that resolved. I'm going to redo all the side casing on the engine, either paint them or polish them. We're going to redo the cover here. And we're going to get into the carburetors. We're going to check those. Again, before I put this away, I did drain the fuel out of the carbs as well as the tank. And it's nice. It's got the Honda factory crash bars on the bike. As well, I do have the original windshield that came on it. It does have a big crack in it, so that's currently just sitting in the garage right now. And just looking in the tank, it's actually in fantastic shape for the year. And there's the mileage, 13,517.7 miles on it. So again, what I want to do is get this running like new. I want to do a basic restoration on it. Again, I want to keep as much original as I can. This is a bike I'm going to have to decide if I want it to be a rider or a showpiece actually inside my home. And again, I just wanted to do a quick updated video on this. I've had a lot of questions on the status of the progress on the bike. Again, feel bad, but I haven't really done a whole lot on it. So again, that's why I brought it in here, and it's right in my face, so I'm actually going to have to get to it. So this is going to be part one of the Honda CB360 restoration series. I'll be updating the restoration as I go along here, hopefully sooner than later. Again, if you have any tips, comments, suggestions, or whatnot, make sure you post them below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow along on the series and the bell notification so you get notified when I update new videos on this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.